Boo, are you okay?
Joel D, good evening. Yeah, we're along Cameron Street right now, street being the operative word because it's looking a little bit more like a waterfront if you ask me. And believe it or not, we're right now currently on the sidewalk. You can see this car actually going past the barricades, which you were just talking about how we're not supposed to be doing. And you can just see that water pooling around the car as they continue on past us. Just looking at some of the depth of this water, this is about 3 feet, I would say, close to it. It's about up to my hip length, and you can see just how far it went underneath there. And just to give you some more perspective, over here you can see our car is parked. When we parked this about 30 minutes ago, the water was not up that far, but just coming down this way when we were here for about 2 hours. Excuse me, what? What was that? No, you can't. You really should be turning around. That's what PennDOT says. They advise you to turn around because you could get ticketed if you do this. All right, so yep, you can see him. He's going to be backing up on this road instead of going straight forward, just because you can see how deep that water is around him. He's reversing. Sir, you may want to be turning up this way because I'm not sure that he can get too far back with the truck there. But this is kind of the scene that we've been seeing all day long. This flooding water is continuing to get higher and higher as the day progresses. Definitely, as we were talking about before, PennDOT and Pennsylvania State Police are urging people not to drive through these high waters. It's not only a risk to you, it's also a risk to first responders that then have to respond to you. So we'll continue to cover this. Fortunately, this gentleman is getting off of this roadway, off of Cameron Street, so he can hopefully get back to some safe ground, and we'll continue to follow this for you, but I'll send it back to you, Joel D.
Hey, where are you going, Dumbo? I'm just joking.
So,
even there, it's better than analog.
He's denying the allegations, says that his lawyer plans to fight all the charges, and he's saying they're all just money grabs.
What the fuck?
Üniversite kapatıldı darbeden sonra. 15 üniversitenin 15'ini de AKP döneminde açtı. Kandırılan onlar, yürüten onlar, üniversiteleri açan onlar, kapatan onlar, darbeye kadar geldi adamlar büyüttüler. 2. Suriye politika.
Officials is just how unprepared this region still is, how there still needs to be such, whoa, apologies for that, as you can see, somebody trying to get through this water. But
Pues viene muy fiera a quererse meter. Ahí se va a aventar, mira.